CNN. Former Donald Trump campaign lawyer Sidney Powell's surprising plea deal in Georgia election collapse. Case on eve of her trial will dramatically change landscape of ongoing state and federal investigations against former president. Until Tuesday, Powell was still posting false claims on social media that the 2020 election was rigged against Trump. But on Thursday, he walked into a courtroom in Atlanta and pleaded guilty to trying to interfere with the 2020 election. His plea deal with Fulton County prosecutors will require Trump to give honest testimony to other defendants in upcoming trials, including himself. This is a really big breakthrough for prosecutors. CNN senior legal analyst Ellie Honig said on NewsCenter Thursday. Here's a breakdown of how this might impact cases going forward. Why did he beg now? There's nothing like an upcoming trial to encourage a defendant to make a deal. That seems to be exactly what happened. At least for Powell. Instead of going to trial on 7 felonies, Powell pleaded guilty to 6 misdemeanors. As part of the deal, prosecutors recommended a probation-only sentence. Only 2 defendants, Powell and pro-Trump attorney Kenneth Chesebro, asserted their right to a speedy trial under Georgia law. Chesebro has pleaded not guilty and jury selection will begin Friday. What might Powell testify about? The most significant of these was Powell's attendance at the White House meeting on December 18, 2020, where some of Trump's most extreme supporters encouraged him to appoint himself as a special counsel to investigate alleged voter consider declaring martial law and sign executive orders that would guide administration. The military confiscated voting machines. Also in attendance were Trump National Security Advisor Michael Flynn, former Trump attorney Rudy Giuliani and Overstock CEO Patrick Byrne. All major purveyors of debunked election conspiracy theories. Charging documents make clear that he is expected to testify about his direct involvement in the breach election systems in Coffee County, Georgia, where a motley group of Trump supporters conspired with a local election official to access sensitive government data as part their quixotic search. Because of massive voter, Powell has also been in contact with Trump White House and others Trump's orbit during frenetic post-election period, when Trump threatened to unleash Kraken by filing lawsuits across country a dubious way he claimed he could stay power. Their lawsuit was deemed frivolous and dismissed. CNN legal analyst Elliot Williams said on News Central Thursday that collaborators like Powell could provide first-hand testimony about what they saw and overheard. And if prosecutors are not satisfied with the evidence presented, they can withdraw that plea agreement and bring these individuals to trial. Who should look over their shoulder? The most obvious implication of Powell's defense is that it could harm Trump's defense. He's going to have to